back to the trial of our century, that is Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard. Important issues of First Amendment and domestic violence. And as you know, Johnny Depp ran the table. Amber Heard also had an award for one of the Adam Waldman statements to her attorney. But let me tell you one big update, and this is a plus for women everywhere, especially women lawyers. Depp update. Camille Vasquez, right? She made partner. Let me just tell you, there was her firm this morning had a statement to be made. She is a partner at Brown Rudnick after scoring that major win that we all saw on TV. She started off like reading her opening, and then she just grew into the lawyer she is and is going to just shoot out from here. She's going to be fabulous because she was fabulous in that courtroom. I am delighted that Brown Rudnick has given me its full vote of confidence by having me join the partnership, Vasquez said in a statement. I'm proud of the uniquely talented team I've had the privilege to lead, which exemplified teamwork and collaboration, and I look forward to continuing to represent Brown Rudnick's culture of excellence. Yes, Camille Vasquez's statement after she made partner, probably not up there with meeting the alpacas, though. But let's discuss this. Kurt Altman, criminal defense attorney, former state prosecutor. Now, this is a big deal to make partner. I mean, people are saying she should leave and she should do TV, she should do this, but she has chosen a profession and she was exemplary at it, in my opinion, the way she controlled that cross-examination. What are your thoughts?
No, I think that's exactly right. I mean, making partner, I'm not sure the size of the firm, but I'm sure it's a sizable firm. Making partner is a big deal. It changes your life. I mean, it changes how you work. And she obviously, in this trial, worked real hard and earned it. I'm sure this isn't the first thing she's done, though. I'm sure she was very good before this. This, however, out in the public like it was, the success that she had is going to really help her, and it's really going to help the firm. So, of course, they made her partner.
Yeah, and Joseph Scott Morgan, it just goes to show you that there's so many stars out there that are given the chance to show themselves, to shine. They can in terms of the legal industry. Now, I'm sure the Amber Heard supporters don't like it, but she really does exemplify a woman who was in that courtroom. She was at the top of her game when she did the direct examination of Johnny Depp, the cross-examination of Amber Heard, and in many ways, one could say that she's responsible for Johnny Depp's verdict, can't they?
Yeah, I think they can. I got to tell you, I would not have want to have sat through one of her examinations after I saw what she did to Amber Heard. She was relentless. I mean, she just kept pounding away, and she didn't back off at all. But she wasn't, overbearing. I think it's fantastic. I can't identify as a college professor with what it's like to make a partnership, but I can tell you, if it's anything like tenure, it certainly it certainly helps your life out quite a bit, and it's an acknowledgement of what you've done. And she certainly helped her firm here.
Yeah, and also gives you the chance to become first chair in a case, Kurt, as you know, or to advise, to set the tone, to set the strategy of the trial, which Ben Chu was obviously the lead attorney in the case, and he probably set the strategy. But she was perfect in her technique and cross-examination. One question, one fact per question, total control of the witness. If the witness answered something that didn't help her, she just went on and asked the next question as if she were testifying. It was perfect form, in my opinion. Some people said she's reading, but a good cross-examiner will always seem to have areas or questions. I mean, you're questioning for a long time. So if you're complaining about that, knock it to your side here. Technically just in the air, an air knock to your side, not a big knock. Okay, Kurt.
Well, yeah, of course. I mean, everybody has their own style, right? And you can't try to have somebody else's style when you're trying a case. You have to work within yours. And she did that perfectly in this case. And I will note that for a firm of that size, to give an associate, obviously a senior associate, but an associate, such a big responsibility at trial. Usually they do a lot of the work, and it's the partners that are on the stage. They trusted her before this trial, and she certainly vindicated that trust and did a great job moving through it. And, congratulations to her. It's really great for her.
And Joseph Scott Morgan, let's talk about women's rights here, because there's a big thing about, well, this sets domestic violence victims back. But, the same people then started attacking her. And you wonder whether it's related back to Amber Heard's press people, who it's related back to, about, well, maybe she was having a relationship, with her client, Johnny Depp. I've been in that situation where people accuse me that. It's wrong. Stop it. She has merits. She was terrific. She's trained. She went to school. And she stands on her own. What do you say, Joseph Scott Morgan?
Yeah, absolutely, Linda. She ascended to this on her own. This had nothing to do with some kind of client relationship she had with Depp. I think a lot of this is, think about the world that they indwell. PR people, handlers, all these sorts of things, and they're going to push that narrative out there. It's very sad. It's very sad because they're attempting to diminish what this person has done in their career, and it's a real shame. I hope that people will move beyond that.
Yeah, and Camille Vasquez, if you're watching, we're all behind here at the Law&Crime Network for the accomplishments you did for yourself in that courtroom and to show us what real lawyering is about. Kurt, I want to give you some of the final thoughts. We have about 1 minute left.
Yeah, what I was going to say, just hearing the last comments was, some could say that narrative about her is defamation. It seems like it's based on no fact. It seems like, the publicist should be more careful after they saw what just happened. Who knows? She did a great job. She obviously earned the opportunity, and then she took advantage of the opportunity, and she should be congratulated. She should be very proud, and good luck in the future.
Yeah, and I don't know who pushed it out, whether it's from her team, whether it's just social media going viral. But Kurt and Joseph, you make very good points that we need to be careful when we're attacking people like that, to say, well, they got there not on their own talents, but for some kind of sexist comment that she got there because she slept with somebody. It's wrong. Again, I'm going to say, stop it. Camille Vasquez, you were a star, and I hope that meeting the alpacas did a great job. I know that you have brought all of our attention to both women lawyers in the courtroom, good lawyering in the courtroom, and heightened to the alpacas so that we all could read about what great and wonderful animals, sentient beings they are. Thank you, Joseph Scott Morgan. Thank you, Kurt Altman. Michael Bryant is up next. He'll be taking this seat over here at the Law&Crime Network. I'm Linda Kenny Bodden. Continue to watch here. I will see you tomorrow at noon, and stay with us here. Again, Michael, take it away.